Hi, in this session I am going to explain about how to give reflections for a text. So for that, just write some text on the current page, and this is the toolbox. So in this toolbox you can find the text tool here. Click on it and just select your font size, just say 200, and this is for a normal text. You are going to apply, click artistic text and say OK. And if you want to change even the font also, you can select the font, and which is for a artistic text, say OK. Now click on anywhere of your current page, just click it here. Now type the text for which you are going to apply the reflections. So this is the text that I am going to apply reflection for. So just select it. If you want, you can just go for filling of your text. This is an interactive fill tool and this is the other fill tools. So you can select any one, just select it and select the color plates. You can go on clicking any one for, you can just select one color and just say OK. So this is the text that I have created. So this is zoom, right. So this is the text that we have created. Now what I am doing is, for the selected text, just select your text by just clicking pick tool and Control D from the keyboard, which will give you the duplication of your text. So which is a duplication of the text. You can get it directly from the keyboard command Control plus D, or you can directly select the text and right click, say copy and then paste it. You can do either way. So Control D is a command for duplicating of a text. Now this is my text which I have duplicated from the original text. And select your text, and if you observe the property box of your text, this is mirror horizontally and this is mirror vertically. There are two mirror positions. Select mirror vertically. So this duplicated text becomes vertically mirrored. So select this text and just move nearer to your original text, and we are going to apply reflection for this. So for that, click on effects and you can find lens, or directly click Alt plus F3 key from the keyboard, select it. This window will pop up, and here in the drop down select transparency. You can find the transparency, select it. And now if you observe here, you have a rate of transparency and the color. So if I am just keep decreasing my transparency color, you can observe the change. If I am keep on increasing the transparency, it has become dull, 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 very light, very light, very light. You can observe the light, very light of your selected text. So if you keep on decreasing your transparency rate, so your text will become brighter and brighter and brighter. If you keep on increasing the transparency rate, the text will become lighter and lighter and lighter. So you can just increase it, and if you want, we can go for a gray scale. You can find the gray, or you can go for a different color from this color drop down. You can select whatever the color you want for the duplicated text. You can select yellow, or you can even select light colors. Okay, and if I am just keep on increasing, decreasing my rate, you can find out the brighter of your text. And if I am just increasing it, you can find the lighter and lighter rate for your transparency. And this is how you can just give the reflections for your text. And if you just close this and if you observe this, this is the reflection that you have created for the text, the above. This is my original text and this is my reflection for my text that I have created. You can zoom it and you can observe the letters. So you can observe the reflection which is created for my text. So very simple. What you have to do is just type the text and then duplicate it from applying Ctrl D, and you can select it and go to the effects and click on lens. You can find transparency here in the drop down. Click on it and apply the rate, and if you want you can change the color. This is how you can give transparency for a text. Now if you observe here, so I'm just decreasing the width. Now this is the reflection we have created, and now this is a normal text. Now let me write some paragraphic text here. So just select your text tool, and for a paragraphic text what you have to do, just drag it and type the text. So this is my paragraphic text. So for this I can duplicate it. If you want you can just reduce the text area. Right. Now just select it, and if you want you can click and you can give some filling colors for your text. Right. Now I'm going to duplicate it by just selecting it and Ctrl D, and just drag it nearer to your text and apply mirror vertically. And this is mirror vertically that you have applied for your selected text. Now I'm going to click on effects and say lens, and here you have transparency. See here, if you observe this, when I am just keep decreasing and increasing of my rate, nothing is happening to the selected text. Why? Because you cannot apply reflections or you cannot apply transparency for a paragraphic text. You can only apply for a normal text. For a normal text, select it and you can just increase or decrease the rate. You can observe the change in the reflection. But for a paragraphic text, select it and even you just do the changes for the rate, nothing will happen. So only for a normal text you can apply the reflections. For a paragraphic text you cannot apply. So if you want to apply even for a paragraphic text, what you have to do is just select it and right click it, and you will have a option to convert to. So you have convert to artistic text option, select it. Now this is converted for as a normal text. Now you can just apply the color and you can just change the rate. Now you can see the change when I am just keep on increasing my rate and keep on decreasing my rate of transparency. This is how you can give the reflections for a text.